Assalamualaikum and good morning. This is a video presentation for General Chemistry chm131 UiTM Perak Tapah branches.
So this is our group members.
Let's explore the contents overview, which has 3: traditional medicine, modern medicine, and cosmetics.
First of all, what are medicine? Medicine are chemicals used to help with the treatment or prevention of disease. Medicine also can be classified into traditional medicine and modern medicine. Besides that, medicine are safe if taken properly. So generally, medicine are for health use, but misuse or abuse of them can be harmful. Then we move to traditional medicine. Traditional medicine obtained from plant or animal and are not chemically processed. Nowadays, traditional medicine have evolved through processing and market in the form of pill or capsules. There are 4 example traditional medicine. Firstly, ginger. Ginger is well known for its ability to relieve gas and flu and bloating. Ginger also prevents from cold that has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Besides that, ginger can increase blood circulation and raise body temperature, which make you feel warmer. Next, aloe vera. Aloe vera can treat skin disease, which is it contains compounds that reduce inflammation, redness, and irritation. Then, it can also cleanse the body and hydrate the skin that rich in water and has natural moisturizing properties. This benefit make aloe vera a common ingredient in skincare and health products. Next, ginseng is natural herb that can help strengthen your immune system. This makes it easier for your body to fight infection. It may also help people with diabetes by lowering their blood sugar level and keeping them more balanced. Lastly, tamarind has medical properties that help with various health issues, which is tamarind juice soothes the throat and help reduce coughing. Other than that, it can lower fever because tamarind contains compounds that help cool the body and reduce the fever. Then, traditional medicine also have a side effect, such as some people may have allergic reaction like rash, itching, or swelling after using certain herbs such as ginseng. Then, certain herbs like garlic or ginger can thin the blood. This may increase the risk of bleeding. Finally, applying traditional herbal cream or oil may cause irritation, redness, or burn in some people, especially if the skin is sensitive.
Next, we have modern medicines. Rapid developments through new technologies such as biotechnologies, nanotechnologies, and genetic engineering boost the production of modern medicines in the pharmaceutical industry. There are a few types of modern medicines. For example, there are analgesics, antimicrobials, psychotic drugs, anti-allergies, and corticosteroids. This type of medicines can be manufactured in laboratories. Going into more details for the functions of every type of medicines, for analgesics, we have aspirin, paracetamol, and codeine. For aspirin and paracetamol, relieve pain in conscious state, and codeine relieves pain, alleviates cough, and treats diarrhea. This type of medicines should be taken according to the doctor's prescription, as aspirin is acidic and is not suitable for gastric patients or children because it can cause stomach ulcer. And paracetamol, if taken overdose, can cause liver damage. And for codeine, it can cause drowsiness. For antimicrobials, we have antibiotics, antiseptics, and disinfectants. Antibiotics are used to kill or retard bacterial growth, and antiseptics are applied externally on the skin. Disinfectants destroy pathogens found on non-living objects such as the floor and drainage system. Antibiotics need to be fully consumed so that all the bacteria are killed. Otherwise, the bacteria will become immune to the antibiotics and the disease may occur. Antiseptics are only applied externally and not to be digested. Next, for psychotic drugs, we have haloperidol, chlorpromazine, and clozapine. These medicines are used for treatments for psychosis, a symptom of mental illness that causes hallucinations that makes patients see, hear, and believe something that is not real. This type of medicines are only taken with doctor's prescription because it can cause abnormal involuntary facial and body movements. It can also cause stiffness and shaking. For the last part of modern medicines, side effects of drugs abuse and misuse. For antibiotics, patients may get resistance to antibiotics. For herbal-based traditional medicines, patients may get liver and kidney failure, codeine addiction, and haloperidol, muscle stiffness or shaking.
Next, we're moving on to basic contents of cosmetic, which is cosmetic ingredients that are active and inactive chemicals used to make cosmetic and other personal care products. The first basis, namely water, is used in formulation of cosmetics. It's not your everyday regular tap. It must be ultra pure, that is free from microbes, toxins, and other pollutants. For this reason, your label may refer to it as distilled water, purified water, or just aqua. Secondly, the emulsifiers. The term emulsifiers itself refers to any ingredients that helps to keep unlike substance, such as oil and water, from separating. Thirdly, preservatives are important ingredients. They are added to cosmetics to extend their shelf life and prevent the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, which can spoil the product and possibly harm the user. Cosmetic dyes are colorants used in cosmetics to make them more attractive. They are used in a variety of products including makeup, nail polish, hair dye, and more. There are three types of dyes. First, organic dyes. Derived from natural sources or synthetic compounds, these dyes can be botanicals, lakes, or synthetic dyes. Next, inorganic pigments. Mineral-based substances that are stable and long-lasting. Lastly, natural dyes that can be retrieved from plant-based, mineral-based, or animal-derived. Next contents is thickener that are known in four types of classifications. First, lipid thickeners. They work by imparting their natural thickness to the formula, for example, cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, and carnauba wax. Next, naturally derived thickeners that are polymers that absorbs water, causing them to swell up and increase the viscosity of a product. For example, hydroxycellulose, guar gums, xanthan gum, and gelatin. Third is mineral thickeners. They absorb water and oils to increase the viscosity but give a different results to the final emulsion than the gums. Popular mineral thickeners include magnesium aluminum silicate, silica, and bentonite. Lastly, synthetic thickeners. They are often used in lotion and cream products. The most common synthetic thickener is carbomer, an acrylic acid polymer that is water soluble and can be used to form clear gels. No matter how effective a cosmetic may be, no one will use it if it smells unpleasant. Consumer research indicates that smell is one of the key factors in a consumer's decision to purchase or use a product. Thus, a fragrance is one of the basic things in cosmetics. Lastly, the basic function of moisturizer is to help treat your skin when it's dry and prevent it from drying out again. Moisturizer do this by holding water in the stratum corneum, the outermost layer of their skin. Next, we move on to the breakthrough classifications of cosmetic. First, we have makeup that contain color pigments that intends to alter the user's appearance. For example, lipstick, mascara, face powder, and others. Treatment, a product used to treat face and body, namely cream, skin moisturizer, and etc. Lastly, we have fragrance, a product that gives scents to the users, like perfume, deodorants, and etc. Lastly, we move on to the side effects of cosmetic, which will lead to the opposite effects of intended. Chemicals known as parabens, which includes ethyl parabens, butyl parabens, and isopropyl parabens, are used as preservative to prevent bacterial growth in cosmetics. Parabens can cause various allergic reactions like skin irritation, blotches, and blemishes on the skin. Another common allergen in cosmetics is salicylate, which can cause an outbreak of painful rashes or hives if you have sensitive skin. Next, your skin is as much a part of your body as any other organ. It also needs to breathe and grow. This leads to the formation of blackheads, which, when not cleaned regularly, can form acne. So, make sure you clean your makeup thoroughly with a natural cleanser before going to bed. When you cover your skin with makeup, you also end up clogging it. Eye and the skin around them is the most sensitive area of your face. Layers of eye makeup can be damaging to your eyes as it also slips into your eyes through corners of eye and causing irritation. Too much mascara and eyeliner inhibits the growth of eyelashes and also become a breeding ground for bacteria, which could lead to irritations and infections. Lastly, toxic ingredients that could cause cancer is benzene, arsenic, chromium, formaldehyde, and etc.